Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another video. In this video, we're going to be talking about how to fix your Facebook account locked. So let's just get straight into the video. The best and the easiest way to go ahead and do so is going to be by simply heading to this URL, which is going to be facebook.com/hacked. Simply go to that page, and this is going to be the page you're going to be taken to. It's going to say what to do if your account has been hacked. Simply go ahead and click on next, and it's going to take you to this page right over here. All you need to do is simply go ahead and click on I can't see the right option in this list and click on continue. Then you're going to be taken to the Facebook Help Center right over here. All you need to do is simply go ahead and type in that your account has been locked right here to the Meta AI assistant, and then it'll go ahead and answer you. And when it answers you, all you need to write is I want human support. When you type that, an actual Facebook employee is going to be in contact with you and looking at your Facebook account. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below, and I'll see you on the next one.